Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick update on what inventory we have on the ground and on its way in. So currently, it may not look like we have a lot of cars, but we do have a number inbound. And on the ground right now, I've actually got a brand new Sorento, two brand new Sportages, X Pro and X Pro Prestige, very desirable packages. And the most exciting, in my opinion, I do have a brand new 2023 Kia Carnival LX seat package. I have not had one that wasn't spoken for here in almost a year. Kia Carnival on the ground and available. Also on its way in, a few all-wheel drive Sorentos, Kia Soul, a couple Fortes. We just ordered our first allocation of the all-new 2023 Niro, going to be a very exciting vehicle. And I have about 15 Sportages that are on their way in the next month or so, across different trim packages and different colorways. So we actually have a very strong assortment for the Sportage line. So a lot of exciting stuff on its way in, a little bit of exciting stuff actually here right now. And if across stuff that's here and stuff on its way in, we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can still get it for you. Just shoot us a call at 608-275-7700 and we can go over the process for ordering exactly what you want to specification and how to get you exactly what you want. So anything we can do. Again, cars might not be easy to find, but we'll find it for you. Just shoot us a call or stop by today.